Our brain. We all know that it is our brain which controls us. But what if for some time we control our brain? As science is evolving day by day, we are learning more and more secrets of our brain's functioning. And I've been discovering various ways to cheat our brain. They can be very useful in our day-to-day life. So hello friends, I Abhilash from Unleashing Fact will reveal some of these smart brain tricks which will blow your mind out. You can even give them a try to get your own experience, and do not forget to write it in the comment section below. So starting with the first trick, which is listening to your favorite music can boost your immune system. It is well known that music reduces the stress level, that is cortisol hormone. But the interesting thing is that music even does healing, that is it can even cure. Our body is directly linked with the chemical reactions in the brain. For example, when we listen to our favorite music, the level of the stress is reduced, and therefore our body produces more antibodies, which are immunoglobulin A and the natural killer cells, also known as NK cells. These cells attack the invading viruses and boost the immune system's effectiveness. The second way to trick our brain is for cheering up. We all know a secret that sometimes our facial expressions influences our mood. For example, if you go out for a walk feeling absolutely happy, but because of the bright sun, you have to squint and frown, making you feel down. It also works the other way around. If you are not in a good mood, then try to hold a pencil with your teeth. It will activate the muscles that are normally used when smiling. This will cheat your brain and you will feel better. Don't go by my saying, try it out. The third way of cheating your brain is you can reduce pain by using binoculars. Based on the studies done in Oxford University, scientists have found that people who looked at an injury from the wrong end of the binoculars, that is inverted binoculars, felt less pain. Since the wound appeared smaller, the people would feel less pain. Some also experienced decreased swelling. This is how we can even control our sensations. So next time when you are hurt, get a pair of binoculars and look through it. And yes, do not forget to invert it, otherwise you may feel more pain. The fourth way to trick your brain is for memorizing information by creating a memory palace. You can memorize informations better. You just need to create an image of any place or room in your head where you will store different things, that is information associated with you. The trick is that your brain doesn't focus on the words but assigns it some bright images, and this image will be much easier to recognize than any words or the digits. Believe me, it works. Yes, it do take some time and much of the practice, but at the end you will see the benefits. The fifth trick is a bit complicated one, which is Ganzfeld effect. It is a method through which you can connect to your subconscious mind, that is where all our habits and behaviors originate. This allows our mind to bring messages to our conscious. In this experiment, person puts half ping pong balls on both eyes, wears headphones with a white homogeneous sound and a homogeneous source of light shining on their face. After a period, approximately 30 minutes of homogeneous sound and color tends the brain to ignore the noise and color, this causing a total isolation. Reports also says that these experiments lead to manifesting of person's psychic abilities. So that's being a wrap on the video. If you like this video, then do give a thumbs up and subscribe for further interesting content. Any complaints or any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.